Shout to Sako there. Where? Of course, Mogali, in Fun Hambo Pet, you the one ball paddy, but before I bet you the talk more, Abi, coach on here, do bet, you the walk all funny for the sock more, Pami, whether you the hawk or Cali, hot raw, Chucky lyrical word, Lord Natty. Talk me look, I be more rough, Charlie man, I wad up, whether I dey up or Mali, I'm a king, you're a king too. Jiwa hinche, exactly what the kings do. Una a rinche, be all over YouTube, so make a go ahead, record that sick tune, yeah. This year, you gonna draw more money, whether chocolate, more or vanilla. Wipe your tear, I jog or Pamela. Charlie life's good, make you pose for the camera, yeah. This year, you gonna drop more money, whether chocolate, more or vanilla. Wipe your tear, I jog or Pamela. Charlie life's good, make you pose for the camera. Toast love to the arena. In this life there is no wrong formula. Me range jamming, yammy da me range jamming, yammy da the race not for the swift, not the one with the formula. Mam you what ni wanana. Kop and kwempa ham you cook ni masana. Charlie makes some noise. Ehalakasa. If you're loving it, Charlie, my CD there, go get some. 20 CDs spare. Album title is Love is Blue. Nice one, Charlie. Make up us tomorrow. Right here at the Folks Place. We also have, once again, The Man in the Dark. This one, if I don't miss out, yo, me I tell you, if I don't miss out. Saturday, its first show is 4 p.m., second show is 8 p.m. And it's only 50 CDs. Concert party comes off on the 9th of February, 10 CDs, 3 p.m. Fun World, Kids Variety Show, 16th February. You have dance, you have rap, poetry, a mixture of arts. At the auditorium, 1 p.m. Wednesday Theater comes off on 26th of February. Also at this venue, Folks Place, 7 p.m., 20 CDs. And then Talk Party for March is 5th of March, 7 p.m., 20 CDs. If you want a special table, you can call us. All right, so back on stage, Desiree, the baritonist.
That we are supposed to do something, and
I was supposed to do a spoken word, and I forgot to go with the microphone over there.
So now he has to do it. Yeah, do it.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Follow your heart and follow your dreams. When everything falls apart and disaster is all it seems. When you see the end from the start right before it begins. When life gets so hard. And the silence of a million voices is all that seems to be screaming.
Hausa television.